Meantime, we turn back to the weather impacts here. A bit warmer today.
Yeah, a little bit.
Not complaining though.
No, I think fall-like temperature, or that feeling, is definitely there, KJ.
It is, guys. We're getting the fall feels the first part of our day, so we still have those cool, crisp mornings. That will continue through midweek, and then we'll have the warm afternoon. So we're just getting the best of both, and really this is the perfect transition into fall. So we're getting that taste of fall at least half of our days, and low humidity will continue for our afternoon tomorrow. So it will be a little warmer tomorrow, but the heat will be manageable. Now here's what I'm tracking. We're looking at higher rain chances the second half of the week, so I want you to soak up the sunshine for Tuesday and Wednesday. More cloud cover, and then we'll have wet conditions into our weekend, so plan accordingly for impactful weather. Here's why. We have a tropical storm developing in the Gulf of Mexico. This storm will likely intensify. You can see the latest forecast track now. Notice how it's going to make its way towards the Louisiana coastline. We already have alerts in effect for this region as folks here are bracing for the storm to make landfall likely on Wednesday. It will intensify. It could become a Category 1, even a Category 2 before it makes landfall. Right now it's moving to the north at about 7 miles an hour, north-northwest, max sustained winds at about 65 miles an hour. So it's still below hurricane strength, but still this system will have an impact on this region. We're talking about storm surge as well as urban flooding. And notice how it's going to drag that tropical moisture over land, even though it will weaken in terms of intensity, and then it will stall out. So we will continue to track the impacts over land throughout the course of this week. So take a look now. This is Futurecast. Notice how it will likely make landfall somewhere just west of New Orleans, between there and Houston by Wednesday afternoon. But you can see a lot of tropical moisture is going to linger across the southeast for days through Thursday, even into Friday. So the coast of Louisiana could pick up a half a foot of rain, up to a foot of rain in some isolated areas. Here closer to home, we do have the potential for some flooding rainfall, especially across western North Carolina through the upstate of South Carolina. So we'll watch for these impacts over the course of the week, at least the second half of the week. So this is the system. Notice how we'll have the stall front lingering across the southeast. So we'll watch for unsettled weather into our weekend. So a lot of weekend events are going to be happening in the Queen City. So just know we'll have rounds of showers, but no showers out there for tonight. One more cool night with temperatures in the mid-50s. This trend will continue through midweek, and tomorrow will likely be the warmest day of the week. Temperatures around 85 by the afternoon. Here's that bus stop forecast for tomorrow. A nice and cool morning. Temperatures in the 50s will warm up to around 84. After school, sunny skies will continue, but notice the forecast. Your Guy Roofing 7-day forecast will transition to cloudy skies, higher rain chances, and cooler temperatures.